As I'm over here looking at GV, and the stock is moving up so quickly. But what's happening? Look at the key statistics. It has 1.7 uh, million floats. And what news is driving it? Over here, you don't see it, but I found out that it has a letter of intent getting over a billion, and those are the news that I love when it says billion, because this is $3 stock. So if somebody's looking at it thinking that they can invest a billion in it, that means that the stock is going to move. So I'm over here watching it, not just watching it, but I already got into my Robinhood account, but I'm waiting to see how it goes when the market opens. So let's just look at it. When the stock breaks $2 is a resistance. It's a whole number, it's a resistance. So when I was under $2, I was looking at it to break two. If it holds two, now we're looking at 220, 230. So let's see how it holds. I'm intentionally trading without any indicators, which is to tell you that once you have the right stocks, you can trade it without indicators. So the indicators will form after the news, after everything, after some money has gone into the stock. So then the candlesticks doesn't matter, because without it, I still know that it was going to move. This is the news that moves stocks. So there we go. The highest was 214, the break of 214. Then we're going to be moving to 220. But the market has no opinion, so let's see. If you go into reading, they want to show you, uh, okay, it's right here. But sometimes if you don't see it, or you can go to Yahoo Finance, Market Watch. I mean, you want free resources. So sometimes you can go to different sources to confirm the news. But Yahoo has it and you was the home. So let's see what the markets will do when it opens. But now for the break of 218, that's the highest was 214. But looking at it for the break of 218, then we'll be over to 220, 230 because the float is low. The capital for this stock is 4.8 million. Average value is 290,000 and volume today is 2.8 million. But who will invest a billion in a company that worth 4.8 million if they don't think that this company is going to move? So the rationale is this big money companies understands the potential, the growth for the small company. That's why they be putting their money in. But let's see if the price action is also going to correspond with what the big guys are thinking. Stocks that I'm watching today is AREV and also Mars. MASS. Mars traded yesterday. It has a high float, but it put up a finish the day with a very bold green candle. So I'm still watching it today. These are the only three stocks that I'll be watching for now. 18, and for the break of 218, 220, 230. Because so far that's the stock with the news that if you understand how trading goes, you know that it's gonna move. I don't need no indicators, nothing. I'm not looking at that pool or nothing because no matter what, the numbers will show in the market. So you have to understand. Guys, so I'm gonna close from here and watch it as the market opens. Um, if you like this tutorials that I'm giving over here, you can always subscribe to my channel and follow me. And in the morning, we can digest the stocks together. You just always have to have patience. When the stock hit the scanners, don't rush. Look at the news, look at the fruits, and also the market capital is very, very important. And if you look at the average volume of the stock is 290,000, and as of now, it's almost 4 million. So it tells you that there's something that is going on with the stock, even if you don't understand, because you never see all the news. But that should tell you that something is happening. So I always consider the volume and the market cap also very, very important. Whether it's huge market cap or small, if somebody has a $4 million, almost 5 million capital, and someone is able or willing to invest about a billion, that tells you that they also have a trust. So this is how we do the analysis in the morning. And then I have for what is this is the top gainers from pre-markets. I have top gainers from start hours, that is from yesterday. And then I have the daily 1 day from yesterday also. So when I'm looking at all this, I'm comparing which stock was strong yesterday and still strong today, which stock was in the market and after hours is still continued. So these numbers, there's no manipulation. They cannot change. Nobody can manipulate the numbers. So I would rather look at this versus candlesticks versus indicators. Indicators are good, but um, it forms um, after the if the price action movement, whether upward or downward. So why wouldn't I? Why don't you look at the numbers instead of indicators? But I will leave it here. We will meet tomorrow morning too. Oh, trade is risky. It doesn't mean that if you follow this pattern that I'm telling you, you're going to be successful. But you also have to look at it from your own perspective. When the market open in about 5 minutes, the trade stocks that I'm looking at is ARBB, uh, MASS, and GB will be on my top list. Thank you. Bye.